called a mullet? What kind of crap is that? That's crazy. That's like the second time ever that I've ever caught a mullet on a lure. There's a redfish over here. I can see him blowing up on fish. This is a small little mullet. Nice little finger size. I can slip a flounder into the current. In front of me there's an island, and I'm fishing between grass and that sand little island that's underwater right now. Oh, I wasn't recording, but I caught a flounder on a mud minnow. He definitely found it pretty quickly. Try to get it out of his mouth. He choked that mud minnow, so I had to cut my line and just let him go free, or else I would have killed him after. There we go. That's probably a redfish or a black drum. Hopefully not a stingray. Whatever this is. God dang. It's probably, hopefully not a stingray. He had a long run, he's still running. Come back, dude. Come back. Imagine this was a trout. I do have a little bit of a light tackle. Hopefully it's not a stingray. It's a red. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Sometimes when you fight it on light tackle, man. There he is again. Big head. You're done, bro. You're done. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, that's it. Let me get my fish grips. You're done, dude. You're done. You're done. You're done, bro. Come on, open your mouth. You're done. Nice. Nice fish. That's a red. He is, oh snap. He is 20. Yeah, 25. Alright, I'm gonna throw him on the stringer for sure. Alright. So, let me get this out. He's drumming, so he's a male. Got my red on the stringer. Let's go back out there. So, I got a slam. Flounder, speckled trout, red. Just I haven't got a keeper. Slam. Keeper flounder, keeper trout. This feels like I already have a trout on. Feels like a trout. Oh, head shaker. Another double red. Having it in my bucket. And then put a gulp on. And I'm just gonna work the gulp. Since I know there's fish here, it's probably a better chance of catching them on the gulp. Just gonna jig it on the bottom. Make a couple more casts and call it a day. There's definitely like a lot of activity right now. So it seems that all these fish are rolling off the flats and going into deeper channels. Got one. I got something. It's probably a trout. Yeah, it's a little trout. Dude, I'm sure that there's way bigger trout than this though. Quick release. Come on, dude. Quick release, quick release, quick release. It's definitely schools of fish. close. Gee, there's bigger stuff out there. Yes. Really close. He's about 14 and a quarter. They have to be 17. Not quite there, man.